So the vehicle got out of the body shop. They fixed all the rust spots and smoothened out the body of the car, and then actually primered it black, which I wasn't expecting, but it was a really, really good surprise. So I really appreciate all the hard work that they put in. The car's slowly coming together. So it had some rust spots over here, and I don't know if you can see that, but they fixed that very, very, very well. So, and then the bumper had some issues, and they fixed that very, very well too. So, and then debadged everything. The car looks great. So it's just got these little water spots since it rained yesterday. It's got some water spots in it, but it's already looking really, really nice. I'm super excited to see what it's gonna look like after it gets wrapped and we get some wheels on it and stuff. So it wasn't this cool whenever I had it, so really hoping he enjoys it. Okay, so doing the side mirrors. There, and I believe there's another one on the other side of this, so we're gonna have to remove the door panel. And usually there's a plastic piece that goes over here that is drilled into there, but I have a buddy that's making me a copy of this because I can't find this part anywhere. So we're gonna be replacing the side mirrors. So I've got the new one here. And then these are 10/32 nuts that you gotta find for this side mirror. If you don't already have yours. So that side mirror broke off, so just gonna be replacing it. So I had to get new screws. So I just purchased off of Amazon. Let's see if I can find them here. A bunch of like serrated 10/32 nuts. Okay. All right, guys, so we're finally done with the car. It has come quite a long way. Just want to show y'all kind of what it looks like now. So this is the Stratus now. It's come a super, super long ways, and it's wrapped in a satin black gloss. Or I guess satin black, not gloss. But the wrap shop did a really, really good job, all things considered. I mean, they had some challenges wrapping the car, but they did a really, really good job. Car turned out really, really good, actually. So it looks so much better now that it's done and clean. So I got these new windshield washer jets. So those things were $46, if you can believe that. These two little windshield washer jets, that one and that one there. So couldn't believe how expensive they were, but you don't want, I don't want them to be going through somewhere and need to be able to wash the windshield and not be able to do that. So it's always good to you know, invest in safety. So, but the car's looking really, really good. So got the interior detailed. So it's all looking really, really, really good. So detail shop did a phenomenal job with it. Sorry for the sun's reflection, but then the rear here, so you can see it's all, everything's all clean now. So again, the car's looking really, really good. I mean, for a first car, you know. So also, I forgot. So I did the, so under the, so under the hood got detailed as well. So it's looking really, really good. So they did an excellent job with that. So again, it's like a whole new car now. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It's certainly been an adventure, but glad that it's kind of coming to a close. This is just kind of stained, so that didn't really come off. But again, it's looking really, really good. I'm happy with it. So, and I hope that he's happy with it. It's cooler than when I had it for sure. So, am I a little jealous? A little bit. It's a really cool car, and I'm definitely happy with the way it turned out. So, hopefully y'all enjoyed kind of being on this adventure with me. So I certainly had a great time. It's, you know, kind of like any adventure that you go on. You got your good, bad, hard, easy. So, but after putting in all the work, it's certainly good to see the results of all the hard work. So I hope that he takes care of it better than I took care of it. Not that I did a terrible job in taking care of it, but you know, now that it's his, it's really cool to see this car, you know, stay in the family, because this car has a story to it. So I think I mentioned a little bit of that in the first video of how a good family friend was the one that had gotten this vehicle for me, and then, you know, I really just kind of made it my own and put tint on it and put a system in it, lights underneath it, all that cool stuff. Which some of that stuff is, you know, probably gonna go back on this car, just in a different, I guess, capacity. So not a super crazy sound system, but something light just to make the sound decent. And, you know, we may put some lights back under there just to style it up a little more. But, you know, he can put his own flavor to the car, whatever he wants to do. You know, at that point, you know, it's his car. So if it's cool or if I disagree with it, it doesn't matter. But I think it's a really cool car. So, but certainly been an adventure. So I definitely want to give some shout outs and some thank yous to a lot of the people that helped out with this project and, you know, kind of put their own touches on it and stuff like that. So these windshield wipers, so these were actually powder coated, and this gentleman that I'd like to thank, you know, he did those for free, had his buddy powder coat those for free, so that made a big difference. He's the same one that helped me to put some of the mechanical things together. So Thane and Motorworks, if you're in Lubbock, definitely check those guys out. They do great work. Super pleased with everything that he's done for me, and definitely appreciative. So I'd also like to thank the tint shop, my tint guy. So I'll link his business below. So if y'all are in the area, again, check him out. He does excellent work. And I'd like to also thank Alan and his wrap shop. you know, there's a lot of things that he had to overcome, a lot of frustrations, but you know, he was super nice through the whole process and was understanding, because the body work that was done to the car wasn't sanded properly, so we had to kind of figure out some things, but he through it all, you know, still did the job and honored the price through it all and all of that good stuff. I did end up having to pay a little more for some body work, but you know, at the end of the day, such is life. But still, a thank you to him and for his kindness and understanding through the whole thing. And then, you know, just a few of the other guys at Motorworks